Model 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Bi-T 1.6 cdti Ecoflex None runner needs engine repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 106,186. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and want turnover, engine has seized, will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con, parking sensors. Euro status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Contact us, 0156